Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, backup essentials, then allow installs from unknown sources for the browser or file manager you'll use. Next, install ZFont, a lightweight app that swaps emoji fonts without root. Once ZFont is installed, open it and choose the iOS emoji package. This app explains compatibility with many Vivo models. Make sure to keep the phone charged and connected to Wi-Fi while the downloads run, because the emoji package is a small font file but must finish cleanly. Once done with download, you'll apply the iOS emoji package inside ZFont. Pick the iOS version that matches your taste, tap download, then install. The app will offer system or user apply. Choose system for wider compatibility or user if system fails. You may need to grant font change permission in Vivo settings right arrow display right arrow font. After applying, reboot the device to let the system register the new glyphs. This step makes sure keyboards and apps show the iOS-style emojis. Finish by verifying iOS emojis across apps, messages, WhatsApp, and your keyboard. If some apps still show old emojis, make sure the keyboard supports font rendering, switch keyboards temporarily and check again. If issues persist, open ZFont and revert, then reapply using the alternate apply method, system versus user, and reboot once more. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall that keyboard. Often the keyboard caches glyphs, and a reinstall forces it to load the new emoji font.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.